Hi, Casey Berman, founder of Leave Law Behind here. So happy to have you in this week's video. I'm shooting this video from Leave Law Behind headquarters here in San Francisco. And I want to briefly talk to you today about one of the most important tools that you have at your disposal to leave the law behind. Are you ready for this? This is huge, but it's also very simple. It's the baby step. And I know that sounds weird or just childish or just not serious. And it really is meant to be simple. It's the baby step. And what I mean by the baby step is really the way that we cut down on and knock at the knees and make sense of this overwhelming thing called leaving your legal practice, called making a career transition, called changing your life. You know, you can cringe and start sweating and get anxiety about the fact that you hate your job as an attorney, that you're losing years, you've lost your potential, you're not who you think you should be, on and on and on. All these emotions that you have, which really aren't that beneficial to you, which aren't that productive to you. It's all these emotions that are leading you right here to this video, however you got here. What's driving you here is this need to leave the law, to explore alternative careers. But what gets in your way, one of the main issues or blockers that gets in your way is the overwhelmingness of it, or the apparent overwhelmingness of it. Where do I start? What step do I take? What do I do first? How do I leave the law? Now, thankfully for you, that's what we've created here at Leave Law Behind. We have a Leave Law Behind online career coaching program. We have a ton of free resources at leavelawbehind.com. And one of the main tenets, one of the main themes that goes through everything we do at Leave Law Behind is to take baby steps, is to go incrementally. Now, there's a time for giant leaps. There's a time for giant steps. There's a time to move fast. And that's something that I've been incorporating lately. But I will say that really the foundation of what we do here is to take baby steps. Baby steps help us with the incremental growth of leaving the law. Baby steps help us build confidence. Baby steps help us build momentum. Baby steps help us kind of chip at this veneer of the unknown, of this scary thing that's called leaving the law, and really make it more clear for us. Now, some real life examples of baby steps: watching this video, signing up at leavelawbehind.com for the free resources, reaching out to me for a strategic coaching call. Baby steps could be really taking your money situation and not thinking about it in your head, but in the back of an envelope, but really taking an Excel sheet out and seeing what you can and can't do. Because you've probably been saying, well, I can't afford to make a career change. Really? Let's see the numbers. You know, baby steps are informational interviews that you can go out. There's got to be a friend or a nephew or a cousin or someone who works outside of the law that you know, and you can really just pick their brain and ask their questions. What is a project manager role like? What does a chief operating officer do? What does someone who's in marketing or communications do? And take them out to coffee and ask them some questions. There's the looking at your resume and having someone, we have this person at Leave Law Behind, but having someone redo your resume so it's not a legal resume, but it's in plain English. There are so many baby steps that you can do, and big boy and big girl steps, and then adult steps, and then you build momentum. But I want to say that you're probably stuck right now. And you might have Googled or gone to YouTube or found this video somehow, which is a great accomplishment, a great baby step. Thank you. But let's build on that with another step. Let's build on that with another step. And I want you to get unstuck. I want you to build momentum. And I just want you to realize that you don't need to leave law tomorrow. You can't do it. You've got responsibilities. You've got to get your mindset. A ship doesn't just turn on a dime. A big ship doesn't do that. And you are a big ship as a lawyer with a lot of responsibilities, a lot of cargo. And so what I want you to do, though, is to start turning gracefully, to think of this shift in 3 months, in 6 months, in 9 months, which really isn't that long. So in this video, what I really want to drive home to you is the power of the baby step. There's baby steps that we lay out step by step in the Leave Law Behind program. We lay this out in our free resources at leavelawbehind.com. And these are things that you can do on your own or with us. But if there's anything I want you to do and to take from this video, is that being overwhelmed is a choice. You can choose to fear and think that you're overwhelmed, or you can choose to not be overwhelmed and to start taking steps. And if I were you and you really want to transform your life, you really want to be your ideal self, you really want to leave the law, start choosing to not be overwhelmed and start choosing to take baby steps. Now again, one phenomenal baby steps that you can take right now is to click the link below or somewhere around this video and go to leavelawbehind.com. Download our free ebook, Your Path Out, get the other free resources, check out our blog, and we'll also send you another great gift, which is a video coaching and mentoring series around identifying the challenges that you face in leaving law and how to overcome them. I'm Casey Berman, founder of Leave Law Behind. We are on a mission to help unhappy attorneys like you leave the law for alternative jobs. I am so happy to have you as part of this community. Thank you.